You're having visions?
They started when I saved that sinking sub, and then again during the earthquake.
And you didn't tell me?
You had other things to worry about?
What exactly are you seeing in these visions?
Not really sure. Destruction of some sort. Rocks crumbling. It's like a cave-in.
That's it?
And this last one I heard screaming.
Did it sound like a planet being destroyed?
You mean Krypton? You think these could be residual memories from Zod?
If they are, we have a major problem. I'm not the only one who had Kryptonian consciousness put inside them.
Jordan.
He's fine.
Now for now, we have to figure out what's causing it in case it starts to affect him too. There's only one person that would know for sure.